Hey everyone, so today I want to show you how you can create a custom t-shirt. MakeYourOwnGarments.com has tons of iron-on decals that you can choose from. Start with preheating the iron for 3 minutes on the hottest cotton setting. Don't use any steam. Choose a hard surface at waist level. A kitchen worktop or a desk will work perfectly. Lay your garment on the hard surface and iron over it to remove any creases there. Place the transfer face down on the garment and cover it with the silicone paper it comes with. Iron over all the areas of the vinyl print with a firm downward pressure. Move the iron up and down, left to right, to ensure that all areas have been firmly pressed with the iron. Peel the backing away from one corner to check if it is stuck. Then slowly peel away the backing completely. Once applied, cover the print again with the silicone paper and re-iron to fix it in place. As you can see, it's super easy and fun to create your own shirt from MakeYourOwnGarments.com.